Hey, I'm Pete. Let's talk real passive income in 2025. What actually works, what's a waste of time, and what you can start with today, even if your schedule is packed and your budget's tight. I've been in the game since 2010. Stocks, bonds, crypto, trading, been there, done that. Some of it worked and some of it just drained time and money. Here's the thing, every strategy people talk about online sounds good until you actually try it. Real estate, great. If you've got 300k lying around, trading works, but only if you're glued to a screen for half the day and don't mind stress eating through your mouse pad. So what do you do if you're new, don't want to risk your savings and don't want your money to quietly grow in the background? I've got an answer. And no, it's not one of those click and become rich overnight fairy tales. It's a trading bot we built from scratch. Took 2 years, tested it with real money and made it stupid simple to use. No big deposits from the start, no trading skills and no babysitting charts. Just set it up in a few clicks and let it run. The results, on balance settings, we've seen up to 72% profit in a year. Nothing crazy or clickbaity, just steady growth. Want to push it harder? There's an algorithm for that too. On aggressive settings, it can go up to 30% a month. But yeah, things move faster there, so it helps if you've got a steady hand behind the wheel. That's exactly why we assigned someone to guide you, even during the free trial. If you want to try it for free, the link's in the description. Join our community for free, follow the steps and see what it does with your account. Now let's rewind for a second and look at what most people think passive income means. Real estate sounds solid, right? You could buy apartments, ocean views, rents going up. Prices there grow 10 to 12% a year. Rental income's about 7 to 9%. Problem is, you'll need a few $100,000 to get started. And that's a tall order if you're looking to build a second income stream. So let's move on. Stocks, especially AI companies, sure. Big names jumped 40 to 70% last year alone. This year, some analysts expect another 25%. Cool on paper, the stock prices move like cats on caffeine. No one, and I mean no one, can say what they'll do tomorrow, not even the experts. Also, ever checked what a share of Invado costs right now? Over $100. You want to build a portfolio? That's not pocket change either. Crypto, same story. Bitcoin crossed 100k this year. Some DeFi stock gives 15% returns. But between the hacks, rug pulls, and regulators breathing down everyone's neck, it's like walking a tightrope in flip-flops. Bonds, the safe route. US Treasuries give around 4.3% a year. Feels more like watching paint dry than growing your money. Unless you've got millions to park, it's just not worth the wait. So yeah, if you're just starting and don't have a six-figure portfolio, what do? Use tools, smart ones like our trading bot. Now I know how that sounds, bot this, AI that, everyone tossing these words around. But here's what we actually did. We took real trading data. I'm talking thousands of sessions from people who actually know what they're doing. Removed all the emotional noise and built a system that runs like clockwork. I wish I had this thing back in 2014. I was doing okay back then, but small profits and big stress. The problem wasn't strategy, it was me. You get tired, you rush. One bad trade wipes out 3 days of good ones. And I've slammed a laptop shut more than once. The bot doesn't do that. It doesn't get bored. It doesn't chase losses if you stick to the plan. You set the risk level, choose a strategy, and hit start. And that's it. You can go work, study, sleep, whatever, it keeps going. Like a trader that doesn't eat, doesn't sleep, and never loses focus. One thing that makes it different from most bots out there, it's built to grow with you. Start off safe and slow, but once it's gained momentum, it reinvests profits and compounds. That's where the real money is. First few months, you might see around 25% monthly, but give it time and you could hit 400 to 500% returns down the line. And especially if you let it roll instead of pulling profits every 5 minutes. Even if you play it safe, 10 to 15% yearly with lowest risk possible, you're still beating more traditional investments. And over 5 years, compounding adds up to 500%. That's in the same league as real estate without needing to buy a property in a different country. Look, people who buy bonds and villas, they're trying not to lose money. They're playing defense. That's fine if you already have a few million. But if you want to grow, if you're building something, the bot is built for offense. And we're not selling it to you. Not yet. First you try it for free, set it up, let it run and watch what it does. If you like what you see, we talk. If not, no worries, no fees, no begging. We're not here to pressure you. We just believe that this is the most practical tool out there right now for anyone who wants results without investing into a second job. If this video has helped you, please drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe. You'll see future updates and offers right away. And if you've got questions, throw them in the comments. We read everything and we actually use your feedback to improve what we do.